That'll bog it way down.
Oh yeah. That's
okay.
too
Hey,
much power.
let's see if this old
Chinese
$16 diesel generator starts, should we? 16 bucks cat.
Can
Oh
you
no.
do the compression release on that thing, or you think you can do it?
No, it's a 30 beer machine. It costs 30 beers.
New
okay?
high torque battery. All right.
Okay, and a battery. Okay, here goes. I'm gonna try it without the compression release first.
Turn it on. Turn it on. You gotta hit the on.
Oh shit! I didn't know that. I don't know anything about diesels. Okay, here
How's
we
this
go.
thing work?
Clear prop. Mine makes more noise because I think my valves are rattling.
So yours is better? Is that what you're saying?
No, well,
Let's
no.
go. We need to work on that.